Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by deciding the look, fitted or relaxed, tucked or untucked, because that choice guides every next move. Once decided, smooth the shirt on a flat surface and button the top 2 buttons to create a reference point. You then align shoulder seams with your actual shoulders. This ensures proper drape. Make sure to check collar stand and sleeve length quickly, because small misalignments early become obvious later. From here, you'll move into shaping and securing the shirt for your chosen style. Next, you shape the shirt to your silhouette. Try a full tuck for formality, a half tuck for casual flair, or a French tuck to define the waist without losing length. Once done, smooth excess fabric and distribute folds evenly to avoid bulk. This gives a cleaner line under layers. Make sure to adjust sleeve length so about 1/2 inch of cuff shows when adding a jacket. Finally, check proportions against your pants' rise so the outfit reads balanced and intentional. You finish by checking symmetry. Collar sits straight, placket centers, hems align left to right because imbalances are noticeable up close. If the shirt shifts, secure it with fashion tape, a quick stitch, or a discreet tuck clip at the waistband. These fixes keep shape without tailoring. Once done, move around, sit and raise your arms to see how it behaves. If bunching appears, loosen the shoulders or retuck evenly. That single troubleshooting step solves most fit problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.